How to make money with WhatsApp in Nigeria. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If this is your first time of dropping by, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe so that you can join this wonderful, amazing family. So let's dive right into the video. How to make money with WhatsApp in Nigeria. A lot of persons do not know that you can actually make money, cool amount of money with WhatsApp. So I'm going to go straight to the point and show you how you can do that. Now, before you can make money on WhatsApp, there are four things you need to start making money from WhatsApp. Okay, and the first thing you need is good WhatsApp views. You need views. Okay, you can't start making money on WhatsApp if you don't have people to make the money from. Okay, you need persons to actually buy your product. You need persons to actually view your content, view your product, and want to buy it. So you need good WhatsApp views. Okay, and I'm not talking about 10 views, 15 views, 20 views, and what have you. Okay, I'm talking about good amount of view, because there is this 10% rule whereby it says if you're able to show your product to about 1,000 persons, you get 10%, maybe 100 persons to buy, or even 1%, as the case may be. So you need a good amount of people to view your status. So the more people view your status, the more the number, the more chances there is for them to actually buy your product, and the more chances there is for you to actually make sales. Okay, so since we're not saying that if 1,000 persons view your status, 1,000 persons are going to buy, not necessarily, maybe 10% of that amount. Okay, but what I'm trying to say is you should have good amount of status views so that I can give you a chance to make sales. So you should be looking for to build your status view to 1,000, to 2,000, to 3,000, to 4,000, to 5,000, so that you can actually start making money from WhatsApp. So you need a good amount of WhatsApp status view. The second thing on our list is the value content. You need a value content. Okay, you need something people are willing, people would want to buy from you. You need something that has value. You need to sell something that could actually solve a problem in the society. Okay, people have issue with Facebook ads, they have issue with how to make money, they have issue with a lot of things, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, how to close deals, how to close sales. A lot of persons also want to learn skills like graphic designing, web design, and what have you. So you can actually provide solution to one of these problems on your WhatsApp status. You create a content around that solution, then you'll be able to sell to people. People are going to pick interest because that will be solving their problem. Okay, so have a value content you want to sell. Okay, have a value content, have something that people will want to buy from you. Now the third point is you need to have a selling skill. Yes, you need to learn how to sell. Okay, you can't just get your product and jump right on WhatsApp and start selling haphazardly. You need to have the skill to know the skill that could help you sell to your audience. Okay, it's a skill, so you need to learn it. You need to go learn how to sell, how to use emotional marketing, how to use a lot of strategies to sell. You need to learn that, how to use storytelling, how to do copywriting, and all that. So you need to know how to sell. You need to know the right words to use. You need to know the right things to do to sell. Okay, so the next thing you need is a strategy. You need a strategy to sell on WhatsApp. Okay, you don't just jump out and start selling on WhatsApp without any strategy, without any plan and all that. Okay, you need a pre-planned strategy on how you're going to make money from your contact list. Okay, that is what I'm going to be telling you on the next slide. So I'm going to be showing you two strategies you can use to sell and make money on WhatsApp. And the first strategy I want to show you is this. Okay, you sell directly on your WhatsApp status. Okay, this strategy works this way, whereby you have a product, probably a video course on graphic designing, then you can put it in a course format, and then you take to your WhatsApp and say and you talk about the course, you talk about how it will help solve some problems, you talk about how the course will make people make money from graphic design, talk about the course in general. Then people who are interested will buy from you from your status. That is one way to sell on WhatsApp, directly on your status. Now the second strategy to sell is has about 4 steps. The first thing is to create a lead magnet. Now the lead magnet is actually the value content, as I talked about. You have something enticing, something attractive, something compelling you want to actually you want to attract your audience with. Okay, probably you have a free ebook or a free video course, or you have a free tutorial or a free training class that people will want to learn, maybe a free graphic design class. You can create that as your lead magnet. Then you create a group for that lead magnet, for that training. Then that is the next step. You create a group for that training. Then the next step is, once the group is filled up, then you give out that free value. Then at the end of the free value, at the end of the course, at the end of the class, which is the 4th step, you then upsell. Okay, right here, you upsell to the members of that group. You upsell a product you've already designed and is paid. Probably you have an advanced graphic design course. Okay, you cannot upsell the advanced graphic designing course, okay, while you've already given out the free course. Okay, that is a strategy to compel them to buy. So you need the lead magnet or the value content you're giving out for free to be so valuable that they will want to know what's in the advanced course and they will want to buy the advanced course. So give out a lot on the free valued course or the free valued class, so that people will want to, they'll be compelled to buy the advanced class. So that is how to make money. And if you have 500 persons in a group and maybe half of them buys the course, and you keep that going, and you start making quick cash from WhatsApp. So guys, if you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and also drop a comment on the comment section so that we can learn from you. Thank you so much.